Welcome back to the River Valley Mall. Y'all, it's not abandoned much this time. This time it's revitalized. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Hey YouTube!
What's up?
Okay, we're at the mall. We're revisiting the mall.
We're at Dick's.
Yep, we're gonna enter through Dick's and come out the back. And then we're gonna enter the dark woods behind it and cross the land bridge. And then blah blah blah. We'll see you along the journey. But first, as always, y'all. Baby. Hold on.
Oh, we need no water.
Yeah, it's a very important thing. We need to stay hydrated. Got our water. You guys are responsible for it. If you get thirsty along the way, that's on you.
Yeah, don't leave it. If you leave it, you're screwed.
Yep.
I learned that the hard way.
So, I guess starting it off, we'll see you guys inside the mall. See you guys inside the mall. Pretty day. Nice little panoramic thing. Let's see how this trip goes. Okay, so as we enter this mall, it's leading into Christmas time. We are not going in here with the intentions of looking for a dead mall. We're looking for life this time. Because there's been apparently revitalization. And it's almost Christmas.
Sadly for Christmas.
Bad idea to come through here.
Yeah, it was. Was it nice? We need to come get some shops.
I'm shopping here.
For day bracelets?
Here. Right here.
I was like, it's gonna be an inside joke for all of us. I was like, what do you mean? It's a Gatorade bottle. And I was like, really?
It still seems sadly dead. It's open to show that it's much more lively. There are a bunch of people here today compared to when I'm normally here. It's Christmas. I hear noises and voices. Let's do something fun. Let's have a race. Ready?
2, 1.
Yeah, I don't know. Have to review footage to see who won. We're gonna do something neat and cool. The ladies leave their makeup. Silliness.
Smell this perfume.
Mainline locations plus local.
Smell this.
Local stores. That's what the mall is. Small places plus other places. This mall is trying to come back to life and revitalize itself. It's been almost about a year since we wandered through here. The ladies had to run off into Hot Topic. Obviously. The mall thingy.
Guys, look here. I would still wear it. I'd get something we both Christopher and
The ladies.
love that. Look at these games. Yeah, I know. I've been trying to tell you guys. Look.
To life. It's coming to life.
How much is it?
trying to revitalize, y'all need to go visit your local mall. Go experience this firsthand. This is the real world things. And it has a random thing on all of our journeys like we do. I'm going to go hide a duck. Where? I don't know. Somewhere here though. It has people wandering, not just us. Our group of people does help make it come to life. Okay, Mistress Fuller has the ducky. She's gonna go hide it in a picture while pretending to get scenic photos.
Here, take my hoodie.
Hide the duck.
Huh?
Hide the duck.
I'm going to. Look. Hold on.
And now they want some scenic selfies. Okay. Okay, selfies taken. Ducky's hidden. The girls wishing they could get Auntie Anne's again. We're gonna go to a different mall to try Auntie Anne's. We're going to finish trekking that way. After we get a cute selfie and go out into nature.
They got a double chin. Hang on. We're gonna go eat here one day again. I want that food. There's a vending machine of Gatorade and a vending machine of barely any toys because it's an almost abandoned mall. And then here comes Robert and Lily, and I think he's gonna go look at Auntie Anne's and see how much it is. We'll be right back.
Alright, y'all, you've seen what's going on here. The mall is coming to life. There's people all around. There's us and our silliness. We're gonna go check out the last corner before we walk out the doors and head wherever. The mall's alive. It's coming back to life. Now go celebrate your local malls. But it is still kind of dead. In order to get out of here and get into the woods, we need to go this way. Ladies, engage. Y'all excited to go out in nature? Huh?
Yeah.
Nature walk.
But we have to go in Spencer's first.
Why?
Because we gotta show the ladies up.
Yeah. We'll see you guys out in the woods. The mall is coming back to life. Slowly. Do what Spider-Man says. Reading comics is amazing. I guess Spencer's. As I've said last time I've been here, this is where I took my kids. 10 years ago.
One.
I need to take the new one now. Yeah, the arcade. Wrong way, this way.
No exiting doors.
We need to go towards the orange buildings. We need to go out Cinemark. And now,
Where?
a fast music montage. Just follow me. Baby.
Baby. That'd be so amazing. It's alive. Yeah, you're awesome. We're so crazy, right?
All right, y'all. After the mall, y'all seeing it in full speed, craziness and everything else. Y'all girls, ladies, geez, Ministers Fuller. Last time we were on this walk, hey look, she's not littering. She's not leaving her bottle laying around this time.
Please don't do it, bro. You're wasting a lot of this. That dad bod.
Well, we're gonna go cross the land bridge.
Okay, what will my pants stand on?
Ladies, do you remember last time we were here? Yeah. We wanted to save nature. I wanted to save nature. Yeah. Well, we're gonna make it all the way across this time. It's right over there. The orange buildings, the movie theater, the mall. Let's get to this line bridge. There's no bee-boo. Go, 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 go. All around, surrounded by water on a random land bridge. Like I said, from Google Maps, this place looks so much more prettier, so much more nicer. But from here, it's kind of nasty, it's kind of yucky. Like pollution in the city and people destroying our planet has taken over and changed a remarkably beautiful environment into a dumping ground for bullcrap for no good reason. But this is the world we're in now. This is how things have become. People just do not care anymore about our world. And they should. Things like this is beautiful. I would love to be able to take my children down here to play and have fun. But no, I'm afraid they might get some sort of infection from the nasty water, or I don't know. It smells horrible down here. The ground is not pretty. Maybe in the springtime it would be nice. The water is murky and nasty looking, filled with garbage and other such things. It is up to us to change the world, to better our environment, to save it before it's too late. And our children do not get the opportunity, do not get the chance to appreciate and enjoy the simple beauties of life and nature in the world. So the ball's in our hands, in your hands, in my hands, in their hands. Are we gonna better the world? Or are we just gonna keep making it crap and let it continue to fall apart and become garbage? All this around me is making me remember, y'all, stay hydrated. I had a time limit to get back to find you. You're here though. I got the car keys, so we're not going, if you can't leave me. Are we gonna take the road through the pretty trees? Or are we gonna go back the way we came?
No.